experts and professionals gathered for the National Waterproofers Conference 2024, hosted by the Waterproofers Association of India. Attendees gained practical insights through case studies on remedial waterproofing, concrete repair, and new age coatings. Distinguished leaders were felicitated for their invaluable contributions to the waterproofing industry. Technical sessions covered everything from advanced waterproofing for tunnels and bridges to sustainable insulation methods for buildings. Along with knowledge sharing, the conference provided opportunities for live demos, sponsor showcases, and valuable networking.